3, 2, 1. Must try this recipe at home. Start. I will show you what I am seeing. My hands on. Our thumb paste. My heart is thoda gundu. Ta-da! We did flower bracelet. Welcome back to our channel.
So as you guys can see where we are.
Kaban Park.
Yeah, so what we are doing today.
So we are here. So we planned a full picnic. Picnic means with the fruits, we plan to order pizzas and everything. But what happened with us on the entry itself? God said,
they stopped
food
us.
is not allowed. You guys are not allowed inside the park.
Actually, we came with more luggage. We will show you later. And they asked us, like, we are very genuine people. So we said, fruits. Fruits are inside. So they showed one board there, like it's not allowed. But first time we are seeing that actually. And people are used to do.
But we came from the another gate, and from there we sneak out basically inside the park. But
Not only us.
Not only
A lot
us.
of people.
Guys
Sunday.
also join us. Ta-da!
We will show some clips. Like now, should we show the luggage as we bought?
I'm embarrassed to show that, but it's okay. Guys, see our luggage, guys. We bought everything, whatever we had in our home. See.
We placed here under this tree. We're gonna sit under this tree. We came with pink bedsheet. Let's arrange things.
We have to stay hungry, guys. But we have very pretty things.
What happened there? I'm not taking anything else. So we are almost settled. We didn't take all our things out. We took some fruits, grapes, and like other stuff like books and painting. And like just show the shop.
Beautiful aesthetic picnic, guys.
And show here also.
This is the messy one.
Cushion and all actually. I hope it is gonna not rain. I don't know. But it's like no dhoop. Kind of like nice weather. And I'll show you. Say something, Disha. How are you feeling? But other thing is so crowd. I think it's Sunday. That's why.
The thing is, this is the second time when I'm coming to Kaban Park. When first time I came, I was all alone there.
Yeah.
No one. And today you can see. And guys, what other thing I'm scared of? There are dogs. What if they will take our things and they will run from
Dogs
there?
are with honors only, so they will behave. See. Who is that?
Dino. Guys, meet Dino. The cutest Dino. I hope you guys remember from my birthday vlog. It was my gift.
Yeah.
Dino is also with us today. Guys, it's so peaceful here. But we are kind of messy. But we are having apples and oranges. And Archana is reading book.
Actually, we changed our position to this. It's really nice to sleep here actually. And
It's like, we are taking sun bath. After long, I am feeling like,
should I show the upside?
had a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
But we
I
have to
al-
prepare also a lot.
Actually, I'm hungry. Already we prepared the pasta and Maggi, so we will eat that. Also, she's gonna make coffee.
Coffee,
And
guys.
one dessert also. we are making,
Yes,
right?
yes,
Yeah. She will
dessert
make
will
that.
make.
We will show the video like how she's making. We will share the recipe also.
Yes.
And yeah, I completed actually one chapter of this book. And
You should read books. Go to nearby your gardens and start exploring
yeah,
gardens.
like after having food, we will do some activities. Painting and that flower bracelet, we will do that, okay?
But we can't see flowers, or I guess with grass I have to do.
I saw there.
There is.
Yeah.
We'll
There
see, guys. And you can see how people are staring at us because.
Oh my god, they're looking at us back. I'm feeling.
Come with us. We'll do. We have to stand. We got so lazy after coming here. It's so relaxing here.
Yeah. Like actually from hours we were just simply sitting, doing nothing. I was just reading. She was just, what you were doing actually?
Always simply
No, she was simply sleeping actually, looking upset and sleeping. We will show you upset, okay?
Guys, as I said to you, I'm like just simply sitting here or sleeping here and watching upside. I will show you what I am seeing. It's so amazing. This is my view, guys. It's the prettiest thing. Just trees, birds, and people sound. And sun. And it's enough. With the bread. She's waiting for food. I
I'm
have
so hungry.
So guys, we're gonna prepare food now. Bye-bye. Just saying.
Guys, she's making, what is the name, Disha?
Oreo bread dessert.
She only named it.
And I only discovered it.
Actually, we found this recipe for a fearless cooking at our college, and we
got
that.
first.
We
Yeah.
won that, guys. So that's why it's our favorite dessert now.
Just say the recipe first.
Okay, guys.
What are you doing
So what I
actually?
did, like, I took the bread, I make it the first layer, I crush the bread and I make first layer of bread in it. Now
Yeah.
second layer I will put of
Oreo biscuit.
I
You
am
have to
getting
crush it more,
clumsy.
right?
I'm
But it's
getting
fine, we'll
clumsy.
eat like that.
Hmm.
But we have to crush it more.
You can crush it more and just put again one layer of milk. If you will add layer of milk, then it will be melted.
Yeah.
It will be more creamy for you. Again we will put one layer of
Bread. People
bread.
are enjoying so much.
But we are foodie, so we are just like food.
We can add dairy milk also in between. Okay. Normally we will melt it and do, but here there
we
is
are
no
outside.
option.
That's why we are putting it like that. Again I will crush it. This time I will put one layer of dairy
Dairy
milk
milk.
also. Then again I will take Oreo.
I will show you the jar after you prepare. Okay.
Yes, sure. Guys, you can see this jar is ready, and you can see there are different layers of milk, bread, Oreo, and dairy milk in it. Upside it look kinda like this. Wow, it's looking so yum.
So
right?
yum, yeah.
It is yum. Must try it, guys. It's time for
Coffee.
because we are not able to find juice here, so unfortunately
We thought to buy Mayo fruity from outside, but it's not available.
and
So
net is not there, guys. In Kaban Park, if we are trying Swiggy, Zomato, Blinkit, nothing is working. Even PhonePe is not even working. So
just have coffee instead.
as you can see, we bought coffee with us. Okay, but our spoon.
It's not going
It's coming.
inside. So she is using the other side. Yeah, so
This is the reality behind your picnic. Okay, picnics are not easy. It's calm, but see what all things we have to do. The thing is, we have froster, but unfortunately.
we have to add more milk. After that, we will use that.
So before that, I thought like we will shake. I'm trying my best actually here. But the thing is, it can't go fully inside as I.
I think better shaking. It's not happening. Failed attempt.
Better. As you can see, it's coming better. Milk is still here only, guys. If it's in camera, it's not visible. See, you can see the layer, Archana, now.
Yeah, I can say.
I hope it's visible in camera. It's my hand job. Guys, the smell of coffee only can tell how much good this coffee is. Archana, smell it.
It's so good.
Right? My coffee
Just
is
want to
so
drink
good.
like this only.
No, we have to share, guys. We're gonna pour the coffee in it now.
Should I pour?
Pour.
Anyway, first is milk only coming. Froth is inside actually. At last, like after drinking,
We'll
that,
take
we will take it out.
Guys, actually we took this laptop for the Friends, but unfortunately, as I told you, there is no net, so we can't watch Friends. But we have already, a horror movie downloaded in our
Pet
laptop.
Cemetery.
Pet Cemetery, which we already watched. But again, we thought like something we need to watch, so we are watching that, and you can see our meal.
This is our treat today.
See, everything is there. Dessert is there, coffee is there, fruit is there, Maggi, pasta. Yummiest, guys, yummiest. I know you guys are craving for, but unfortunately, we're gonna have all.
Guys, I'm tasting Disha's thing. As usual, it's soya. And coffee also we are drinking. And we almost finished this.
Guys, that's a nice painting mode on.
I will show at last, okay?
While she is drawing.
Yeah.
I am saying her draw me, but she is not doing that, guys.
I can't do portraits, I can do some sceneries. Doodle sceneries that I'm doing. I will show you at last.
We are presenting Archana's drawing. Ta-da! It's so
Actually,
beautiful.
It's not dried. Actually, I kept here for, bit dry. It got dry.
It's so
Good,
beautiful,
right?
guys. Yes. It's
I
so
thought to
beautiful.
draw Kaban Park, but I couldn't do. Actually, I mixed the colors and it came like this.
But it's so good, right? It's so beautiful. Ta-da! This was our paint date.
On the way back, we will do that flower place.
If we will get the flowers.
No, bhaiya. This was our thumb paint date. Show the thumb. I washed, she didn't wash it yet, but we did this.
Because I was painting
Show
it,
it
so I thought-
closely. Hello, like this. My heart is thoda gundu, but it's okay. It's a heart.
Mine is perfect.
Now let's sleep. We're gonna sleep here, guys. Now it's a rest time to see this
And now
beautiful
there is
view.
no dhoop, nothing in like breeze and very shady weather. So good to sleep here. We are not sleeping. We are just lying.
Archana is making flower bracelet for me.
It's kind of good only.
See this flower bracelet.
Right.
I am feeling like, you know, I am flower queen. Whoa. Okay guys, so we're done with the vlog and it was like quite busy day and it's so crowded here. So we are going home
We
now.
enjoyed.
We enjoyed a lot. We had food, we paint, we did a lot of things. So I hope you guys are enjoying our cute vlogs. Bye bye.